Hello everybody, we are at the California Hotel and Casino in downtown Las Vegas today, playing the gigantic version of High Stakes Lightning Link. I just like these giant machines. I don't know why. I like the bench. I like the giant ones. So here are our jackpots. Oops. Well, here are our jackpots. Okay. We are going to start with a 10-cent denomination. There we go. Alright, we're going to start with a 10-cent denomination and a $5 bet. Let me straighten this up just a little bit if you don't mind. Alright. Here we go. Alright, $5 to spin. Here we go. We are looking for 6 poker chips or 3. Oh, okay. How about 4 suitcases? Scatter wins $75. That is a major yes. All right, love it. $75 right off the bat. We got 6 free games to go. Let's see if we can get a hold and spin. That would be super fun. Poker chip, poker chip. Okay, not so far. All right, one spin left to get that poker chip. Nope. $99 win, not bad. Let me yank that one out and put in a fresh 100. All right, back to the spins. That was a good start. I have noticed when I'm playing these games, and the other one I play all the time, Eureka, does it too on the Lock It Link. It seems like if you get a 4 trigger, like a 4 symbol trigger, the bonus doesn't pay much. Has anybody else noticed that, or am I just imagining that in my head? It seems like I've won far more on bonuses that started with 3 symbol triggers. Probably the 4 symbol trigger is like, oh, we already paid you for the 4 symbols. Don't expect anything super exciting. But perhaps you've had a different experience. Tell me about it in the comments. I would love to know. $2.50. Six of these. Come on now. All right. All right, let's try another 100. 100 went pretty fast, so let's jump down to 5 cents and do a $2.50 bet. Well, we almost had a bonus there. This symbol is wild. Oh, fancy ladies for $5.25. There we go, got it. All 15 win the grand jackpot. Today could be that day. I might stay in Vegas for another 10 days if I win that grand jackpot. Ooh, minor, $250 minor. Heck yeah. Look at that. That's mine now. Score. Glad I changed it to 5 cents. That worked out pretty well. Unless that would have been a minor on 10 cents and then it would have been $500. Hard to say how that works, though. Alright, 3 spins remaining. Last spin. Alright, free spins are completed. Nice. Heck yeah. 297, oops, excuse me, I'm sorry. $297 win on a nickel denomination and a $2.50 bet. That is not bad. Alright. Let's come back down here. I'm going to pop that ticket out, put in a fresh 100, and get back to spinning. Oh, that was very exciting. Okay, $2.50 a spin. Get up there. $1.40. $2.50. Alrighty. Almost had it. Oh, look at all those wilds. Got a royal flush and a fast car for $18.50. Doing better on the nickels than I was doing on the dimes. Up an escalating bet here. I'm gonna do $5. Oh, $7.50. All right, $2.50. One more. Oh, $1.50. Here's a $5 bet. A $7.50 bet. Do some more 250s. $1.50 win there. Fancy ladies, $2.75. We need 6 more poker chips. One more golden suitcase. No. $1.25. Fast cars for $6.30. Let's do another $5 bet. There we go. What's that one gonna be? $2.50 and do a $7.50 bet. $2.50. Oh, whoops. There's a service light. Didn't mean to hit that. $5. $7.50. Oh, that would have been nice. All right, back to the 250s here. Oh, got it! Yay! 250 has been doing very well for us on this game. Right. There's some good chips to start out with. Maybe we'll get another jackpot. be shy. Drop another minor. Or the major, that would be fine. I've won quite a few major jackpots on Lightning Link on this trip to Vegas. Not on the high limit version yet. I'm waiting on that day, but that has not come. Alright, free spins are complete. That's a pretty nice win, $87.50. Alright, let's do a few backup spins here. We're going to do one $2.50, one $5, and one $7.50. Alright guys, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching, and if you feel so inclined, we'd love to have you as a subscriber. Either way, have a very lucky day.